Hello everyone, Nancy here. Today, I'll show you how to seamlessly scan temple jewelry in just one go, quick, easy, and precise. Plus, this marks the first official run of our latest jewelry scanner. Now that we've finished the auto scan, what is next? The key step at scan. This gives us the best shot at capturing data from the bottom. Next, we will clean up the unnecessary data. Make sure to keep as much useful data as possible. Do you still remember how to deselect? That's right. Hold down the Control key and select the area you want to deselect. The software fills holes automatically, but sometimes it looks weird like a big bump. So what do? Just head to Mesh Editor, select the bump, delete it, and refill the hole. Easy, right? Got it. Any question, just contact me directly.